Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're a course creator or a coach, you already know the grind. We are tackling that massive, exhausting problem we all face at some point. The sheer burnout of constantly churning out new modules, new lessons, and new materials. It's draining, right? If you've ever felt like you're literally running on empty just trying to keep your students engaged, you are in exactly the right place. Let's look at a much better way.
Okay, let's just validate a shared frustration right out of the gate. You are likely trapped on the new content treadmill. We get it into our heads that to provide more value, we absolutely have to create net new information. But here's the wild part. Your students, they actually don't need more information to succeed. Honestly, more information usually just leads to massive overwhelm. What they actually need is to truly internalize and apply what you have already taught them.
So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with number 1, the endless content trap. Then, number 2, enter the mini experience. Followed by number 3, the 5-minute AI magic. Next, number 4, a real-world transformation. And finally, number 5, putting it into practice.
Number 1, the endless content trap.
The paradigm shift we need to make here is huge. Think about the old way. It's completely exhausting. You're either relying on AI to spin up entirely new content from scratch, or you're buying private label rights content and spending hours awkwardly trying to customize it. It's just a treadmill of burnout. But the new way? That's all about enriching a single existing concept. Instead of banging your head against the wall trying to invent new ideas, you create a far more personal and memorable impact by simply repackaging what you already have. You're giving your students multiple pathways to deeply understand one core truth.
Number 2, enter the mini experience.
So, what exactly is this? The crucial takeaway is this definition. A learning mini experience is a multi-sensory package centered around one single concept. People rarely absorb a complex idea the very first time they hear it. By taking just one lesson and transforming it into something they can visualize, try out, or share, you are building incredibly strong neural connections. You aren't hitting them with new theories. You're just helping them process the exact same info in multiple, highly effective ways.
Number 3, the 5-minute AI magic.
Okay, here is the efficiency engine behind this whole strategy. This process takes less than 5 minutes but literally saves you hours. By feeding a specific prompt into your favorite AI assistant, like ChatGPT or Claude, you can fracture a single idea into a beautiful prism of 5 distinct learning tools. You get a voice memo script for your auditory learners, a metaphor for the visual folks, practical tools for actionable learners, a sticky phrase for repetition, and an unexpected application to prove the concept's versatility. It keeps your unique voice completely intact, but expands your teaching toolkit exponentially.
Number 4, real-world transformation example.
Let's actually look at how this plays out in the real world. Imagine you have a course on dealing with uncertainty, and you've got this core concept: separate what you can and can't control. What can you act on? What can you monitor? Much is outside your direct control. I mean, it's absolutely true. But let's be honest, presented as a simple bulleted list, it's pretty dry, right? If a student is actively panicking about their business, this might not click, but watch what happens when we run this through our AI prompt to build out those 5 immersive components. Component 1. The AI transforms those dry bullets into this intimate conversational voice memo script. It reads, "When things feel uncertain, your first step is to sort the chaos. This quick mental filter frees your energy for the things that matter." This is brilliant for auditory learners. You can literally just record this on your phone while you're out for a walk, and suddenly you have a quick, supportive audio drop that students can pull up whenever they feel overwhelmed.
Then we have component 2, which creates a concrete mental model. The AI gives us the storm and the ship metaphor. Picture yourself as the captain of a ship in incredibly rough seas. The wind is howling, waves are crashing. You absolutely cannot control the weather, but you can steer the wheel. You can adjust the sails. For visual and narrative learners, this creates an instant, visceral, emotional connection. They immediately feel what it means to focus on their zone of control.
Next up, component 3, the sticky phrase. Steer your ship, don't fight the storm. 7 words, that's it. But it perfectly captures the entire lesson. This is your anchor. You can drop this phrase into your emails, social media, or live coaching calls, and it instantly snaps your students right back to that core teaching.
Moving along. We bridge the gap between passive knowledge and active implementation. We get a practical 3-step filter. 1, act now. 2, monitor. And 3, release. Think about how perfect this is for a downloadable workbook or a quick worksheet. It takes the theory and turns it into a structured, concrete action plan they can apply to their everyday lives right away.
Finally, Component 5 proves your framework's incredible versatility by applying it somewhere completely unexpected. The AI suggests using that exact same 3-step filter on an overflowing email inbox. Act on the urgent client emails, monitor the threads you're waiting on, and aggressively release or delete those newsletters you have no control over. Taking a high-level abstract principle and connecting it to a frustrating everyday annoyance, that creates a massive aha moment. It just completely elevates the perceived value of your course.
Number 5. Putting it into practice.
Now that you've got these 5 assets generated in mere minutes, how do you deploy this ecosystem? The beauty here is absolute flexibility. You can drop the checklists and metaphors straight into your existing course slides as surprise bonus materials. You can share those voice memos as native audio supplements on your platform or pepper them into an email sequence. And you can seamlessly weave those sticky phrases into your live coaching. You're deeply reinforcing the core teaching everywhere they look, and you didn't have to invent a single new concept.
So here's what I want to leave you with today. Will you keep fighting the endless content storm, exhausting yourself by constantly trying to create brand new modules? Or are you ready to use AI to steer your teaching ship, creating deeper, more meaningful connections with the brilliant material you already have? Start with just one single concept today. Step off that content treadmill and watch how this mini-experience approach completely transforms your students' learning outcomes. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you next time.